Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is another video filmed in my bedroom, as you can see. So it is a Missguided £3 sale haul. But when I say £3, they have a £3 sale on, but not everything that I bought was £3. So some of it is like £3, £5, £6, £7. Like, it's so super cheap. I actually hate that they don't put the prices on the little leaflet that you get through, like the invoice, so I will be looking at my phone to check the prices of some of them, and I will try on some bits. Like, it's a huge bag, I'm definitely not trying on everything, but I will show you like the best pieces, I guess. So let's just jump right in. Let's just empty this bag out and we'll just go from there. Maybe I just went a little bit crazy because it was literally so cheap. I was like, may as well have that and try it on. Let's start with a couple of things that I definitely 100% know were £3. I've got this little top which looks like this. It's like faux leather, so it's a little crop top like this, and these bits here are meant to like tie around your waist. I've already tried this on and these bits definitely are weird on someone my height. I don't have enough like torso, so maybe the top's too big, so it comes down too far, and then with anything high-waisted then it comes up and there's only like a tiny little gap between where the top ends and the trouser starts, and this doesn't wrap around properly. So I actually tried it on and just tied this down the back and just kind of was hiding it with whatever I had it on with to see how it looks, but it's definitely too big, so it's a shame because it was only £3, but I really do have to send it back because there's nothing really that I can do with this because it is like ruched at the bottom. Otherwise I'd get my mum to do something with it, but that's a definite no. So this little crop top here came in at £5. I've got it in a size 6, but I also ordered it in an 8 just in case, and the 6 fits. I could probably get away with the 8 as well, but I'm going to keep the 6. I'm going to try this on just to like show you, but I don't know if you can see there, it zips up the back like completely. So wait and I'll show you. So it completely comes apart, and when I tried this on I was down at my mum's and she was able to like zip up the back for me, so that was absolutely fine. But being here myself today, I'm not sure if I'm going to get this on myself. It could prove quite difficult, but we'll certainly give it a go. Can't believe it was only £5. It's such a great wee top. I always wear high-waisted jeans and stuff, or high-waisted skirts, so it's got to be perfect for going out. In fact, I'm going out on Saturday night for my friend Daniela's birthday, so I might actually wear this with a little skirt. I'll see how I feel. This is a little black crop top, and I don't have one a bra again. I would wear a strapless bra just to give me a wee bit more lift. So this is it on. This was £5. This is the size 6. Again, I feel like the cut of this kind of top really does suit me. I've just got it on with this denim skirt, which obviously you wouldn't usually have it on, and it's plain back around the back. I can't get it fully zipped up because I'm on my own, but what else can I say about this? It's just a little cute little top, and this is the silly hang up things, but such a cute little top. Next we have this little skirt. Let me see. So it's this way around, so you can see that this is actually like such expensive material. I paid £5 for this. Like, can you actually believe that? So it's obviously got those little frill bits at the bottom that I kind of love, like the movement of these sort of things. So it's obviously got material and then like a lace overlay. I've got this in a size 8, and as I said, it was £5, so just like absolutely insane. What a great little buy. Hopefully this works. I've tilted my camera down so that I can show you this skirt fully. What a piece, honestly, it is so beautiful. Let me turn around the back. So this is the back, which is obviously the exact same. It's got those frills, the lace overlay. It feels so expensive, so expensive. Can't remember the price, £5 or whatever I said in the earlier, £5 whatever I said in the earlier clip, but it just really is like a beautiful skirt. I can't even say again, like, what a bargain. You could just pair this up with a little black top, a little black cami or something like that. Something really simple because it's got that nice pattern. Next, I've got a little bralette that I won't be trying on either because I definitely don't want to be getting naked on my channel. But this was just a little pink bralette. So I'm going to bring it on close. Can you see the detail on that, like the little diamantes and stuff? So I won't be able to show you exactly how it goes on, but it's got the cups here and then the two little straps to give it that detail, and clips at the back. Unfortunately, this is in some ways too small and in some ways too big. Like the straps are too big that go around, so I've got like zero support. I actually like to try it on tied this section around my back to like hold it on, but because it had no support I was just like so I couldn't even get away with trying to wear it. And then the cup size was really small, and these little sections here were kind of digging in, so it was kind of like just an ill-fitting for me. So that is going back. That was £5, and if that fits someone, it's such a great little buy. Next I have this jumpsuit. So it's like 3/4, is it called culottes? Is that what you call them? I wasn't entirely sure. So the top of it looks like this, and on the model it had like a little belt around it, which is how I'm planning to wear it. I'm thinking about wearing this for my friend's hen night, and just putting like a little gold belt around it and wearing I don't know, nude shoes or black shoes, or if I wear a black and gold belt I can wear my black shoes. Anyway, I'm not sure, but this was only £6. Like £6 friggin' pounds. What a bloody bargain. So I will actually probably show you this on a try on. This is the 3/4 culottes. I don't have on a bra, so I will actually be wearing a bra when I wear this. And I want to put a belt right across here, just to, well, it'll give me like a little bit more shape, and it'll just break up this blue. So if I stand back, this is how it looks. This is the shorts. Let me try and get up on the bed. So that is like where the shorts end, or culottes or whatever they're called, and I'm going to come back to them now. So I really do love this little number. It's £6. What an absolute bargain. I'm definitely keeping it. I'll go get a little belt, and yeah, I'm sorted for my friend's hen night. I should also mention I bought it in a size 8. Missguided are fairly generous with their sizes, I would say, so I could have got away with a 6 or an 8 in this, but the 8's just a little bit more comfy for me. And I also bought this colour in it, so it's the exact same, just little culottes. It's like, I think it's probably classed as grey, but it's kind of like light blue / grey. It is lovely, and it is a size 8, but it definitely didn't do as much for me as the navy blue one. I guess the navy blue one's probably a little bit more safe. So I'm definitely keeping the blue one, and I'm going to send the lighter one back. But the lighter one was actually a different price. Let me check. Yeah, they're actually classing it as grey, and it was £8. So obviously £8 is also a total bargain for this. It just, as I said, is not really my kind of colour, so I'm definitely keeping the navy blue one. And I'll not try this on because you'll see the blue one on. Next thing I bought is this denim skirt. Let me get rid of these. So this little denim skirt, and it's got this little cut out frayed section at the bottom, which I totally love. I don't have a denim skirt at all, which is pretty crazy because when I was younger I lived in denim skirts. I loved them. So I'm definitely keeping this, and this was £5, let me think. This was £6, so it's really tiny, by the way. It is, after me saying that their sizes are generous. This is a size 8, and the denim is so, like, it's an expensive denim, you can tell, like, it's a really good, there's no stretch in it whatsoever. I can't get this up the way, I have to bring it completely over my head to get on, but once it's on over my head, it's so nice, like, I love it. So I'm definitely keeping this, and I'll probably wear it with tights and boots during the winter, but I definitely want to keep this for going on holiday in the summer. That's basically what I bought it for, so it's awesome. And I really want to try this on and show you, but I definitely can't. Like, taking it on and off over my head was a total faff, and I needed my mum to actually take it off over my head. But I can insert a picture after this section of me wearing the skirt, and then just so you can see it in general. We have a little white cami. As you can see, I love these little white camis. I feel like you never have too many because white just changes colour so fast, so it comes in and out the washing machine a couple of times. They're no longer white, they're grey. If anyone's any tips, please let me know. I do use oh my gosh, can't remember what, the little soft capsules in the green tub, I can't even remember what they're called, and I also put in Vanish when I'm doing a white wash, but I can't keep anything white. So it's this lace top cami. If I bring it in close, you should be able to see that. It's got such a nice little bit of detail on it. Obviously there's loads of these like little white camis everywhere, but they usually don't have any sort of detail on them, and I just feel like it's a bit boring, so I definitely don't want plain ones. So that's why I've got this one. I love it. I got this in a size 6, I believe. Size 6, and usually from Missguided, as you can see, the top sizes are so generous that I would have ideally liked a size 4 in this, because I've got some tops from Missguided in a size 4 and they fit so much better. They obviously didn't have it, so that's why I've got the size 6, and that was a brilliant little buy. If I believe that was £7, I'm just going to double check. Yep, that was £7. This is a little white top. Sorry, I don't have on a bra. I would usually wear a bra. So you can see the lace detail actually. Now you can see the lace detail. I'm going to cover my nipples. So I will want this to sit down a little bit further, so my mum's going to fix the straps so that, like, I've got them tight, because if I have them loose then, well, actually that's fine. Actually that's fine, that's better. So I'll be wearing it more like this, so it sits like a bit further down, so it's a bit more flattering. And I've put it on with the dipped hem skirt, which by the way I actually really like. This is obviously the first time I'm trying it on. The only thing that's really bugging me is it's not symmetrical. It's longer here and short here, whereas I thought it would be like this, like in a proper like dip. So yeah, it's just that's weird that you can see more of this leg than that leg. That would just like really annoy me, but it's so nice and it's so flattering on the bum, like I don't know if you can see, but, and this is the size 6 and it fits so much better than the other one, which is a size 8, but hey ho, I do like the other one better. So that is the skirt and top. This outfit was £12 or £13. Like the top was definitely 7, I can't remember if the skirt was 5 or 6, but can you, like, a full outfit for holiday for that price is just absolutely nuts. Can't believe it. I'm going to show you this dress, but it's actually for my sister, so I won't be trying this one on either. I just thought I'd throw it in this because it was such a great price. She's actually already got this. She paid full price for it and she wore it last year on holiday, but I think she loved it that much she was like, get me a backup. So this is it here. It's got the cut out sides. It's in a size 8, and this, I tried this on, it was too big for me. Was it too big, or it just didn't fit right with my bum? I think it was just pulling it out and it was making this like gape. But like I literally love this dress, like it's so pretty. If you can see up close, like the blue lace overlay over the cream, it's gorgeous. This is in a size 8 and she is paying, lace cut out bodycon dress, £8. She's paying £8 for this. Like, she'll be really chuffed, because I actually mentioned and said, is this the dress you've got? And she was like, yes, get me another one. So she'll be really chuffed that it's came. Next I've got this gorgeous blue, kind of cobalt blue overlay dress. So it's quite long and then it's like a midi, right? So it's got this cream overlay, it's got this cream like underskirt sort of thing with the blue lace coming down the bottom, so you get that bottom section left blank. I think this would be such a nice dress for like the races or something. When I seen this in the picture I was like, don't know if it's going to be me, and actually when I put it on it's so nice and I cannot decide whether I'm going to keep it or not. I never go out, guys, like I'm never anywhere, I'm always just sitting in the house and I'm like, why have I got dressy dresses that I'm never going to wear? But it was just such a bargain, let me tell you the price. This was £8, like £8, and see when I put it on you'll see why, like I do want to keep it. It's such a nice dress on. I've got my cousin's wedding in June and my mum is telling me to keep it for that. I can go to a wedding and wear an £8 dress. Can I really? I don't know. I really don't know. So if I keep it, I'll put it in the comments below, but I'll obviously show you it on. So it's what an absolute bargain. This right here is the top of the blue dress. I just wanted to come in close first of all. You see, like it sits off the shoulder, which is just so flattering on my sort of shape. And you can see that it does look so expensive, and I'm going to come back as far as I can get, because as you can see, like I've got my drawers, and to get fully in the shot is like crazy hard. So I hope that you can see down the bottom that it's got the little section. It's got the little section where your skin shows through, obviously. It's just really, really flattering, but honestly I just cannot decide if it's too va-va-voom in your face sort of colour for me personally. I'm going to turn around the back and let you see it. So that is it at the back. I do feel like it's the most flattering on my back, and it gives you a really nice bum, and you've got that split down the bottom there. I'm like giving you so much detail about these dresses and about this stuff, but in reality, like, it's so affordable. Like, I just don't want it, like, I've got limited room in my house. Like, I've only got these wardrobes here for all my stuff, so I really do need to keep down the amount of clothes that I buy. Yeah, so this is the dress here. Next I have another little denim mini skirt, which I haven't actually tried on yet. So it's got this like dip hem. It's black denim. The reason why I've not tried it on is because I liked the other one, so I was definitely keeping that. This is in a size 6, which looks bigger than the size 8 in the other one. I'll try this on for you and let you see it, because we'll be trying it on together. This was £5, so again it's such an amazing buy, and it feels like good denim. It's not got that, well, it's got a little bit more stretch than the other one, but it feels like really good denim, so it's a really great buy. I'll try that on and let you see it. Next I have this little denim jacket, which is a slightly different colour than what I thought it was going to be, but this was £8 for a denim jacket. Can you believe it? Like, so yesterday I had it on. When I was trying it on, I had it on like this, which I just kind of love how it looks. Let me try and get up a bit. So like I had it on like this, and I do totally love how it looks, but when I put my arms in it, I felt like it was maybe slightly too big, or just didn't really do anything for me. It's like, gives me no shape. So as you can see, it's like this, and it's got those frilly bits at the bottom. £8, can you believe? It's so nice. And I was thinking just like for holidays as a little cover up at night time when it gets a little bit chilly. How cute is it, just draped over? Can you imagine, like, on a summer's night? Just. And last but not least, it is another cobalt blue overlay thing. This is a playsuit. I call them playsuits. I don't know if that is the right name for them. But this is how it looks. So you see the little like shorts at the bottom. Again, they've got a little bit of the lace coming down just so that you can see more of the lace than the cream, and it has got a little lace sleeve here, and it is really like low cut. This is a size 6. I think they must have only had it in a 6 left, because usually I like to order a 6 and an 8. So this was £8. Again, what a bargain. But it's too small. I can get it on, but this section here is pulling, so like I'm almost having nip slip, and obviously in here it's really pulling, so it's really definitely too small. But what a shame, because how cute is that? Like, it's super cute. But if any wasn't to fit, I'd rather it was that one than the dress. Like, the dress is so much nicer on. The dress is more me. That pretty much wraps up this video. Please let me know if you like this sort of thing. You guys loved my Primark haul that I did last week, I think. It just has gone so well on my channel. I think it's actually one of my best performing videos so far, which honestly, thank you so much for every single view, every single comment, thumbs up. That was amazing. And I guess you want to see a wee bit more fashion, because those are the sort of videos that are getting more engagement from you. And I'm still definitely going to do my makeup videos. In fact, I posted my the makeup by vibrating makeup brush yesterday or the day before, so if you haven't checked that out, please go and have a little look, and I hope you're enjoying some more of these kind of videos. If you do enjoy these, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Ciao. Oh, please also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah. Bye.